guys, welcome back to Wagner's Tech Talk. Today I have something really exciting to share with you. On May 21st, a new device, a new virtual reality device was released called the Oculus Quest. And it is a self-contained unit. That means it has the computer built into the headset. It's using a mobile CPU, so it's completely independent of any wires. You can walk around the room. It's got a new technology called the Guardian, which allows you to draw an outline of your play area, and it'll let you know if you go beyond those boundaries, which is really, really cool. They have two different models. They have the 64 gigabyte and the 128 gigabyte. The price difference between the two is about $100. It's really impressive. Keep in mind, what I'm about to show you is the unboxing and then the setup, and then we'll have a little bit of a discussion about it after we show you that much. And then at the end of this video, we're going to have some reactions from various friends and family members who have tried it. This is the device. And here you see it's a 128 gigabyte version. And man, spoiler alert, it's fun. It is so much fun. And it's an experience like no other. There's nothing I can show you in this video that's going to compare to what you see when you actually experience the device. I am new to VR, and my family's new to VR, and you get to enjoy this journey with us in this video and future videos. I will be releasing several more videos on the Oculus Quest because it's just that amazing. I do not want to stop here. This is not the only video. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's now unbox the Quest. Now, I had some plastic around here. I took all that off. It was too reflective. Wow, look at that. What's that stuff stuck on the top? Ooh, that's pretty cool. Pretty sturdy. This will make a nice little carrying case. Wow, look at that. There's the 4 cameras. This is what determines the position of the controllers and you in the room. This is the IPD. It's used for adjusting the distance of your eyes. There's one headphone jack on the left and one on the right. There's the charging port. And there's the power switch. Very cool. Let's see what else we have in here. There's the controller. Left-hand controller. Ooh, look at that battery compartment. Look at that. That's magnetic. That's pretty cool. How it just pops into place like that. Huh. I like the little Oculus logo on the top. Nice trigger movement. Buttons. Little joystick up there, Oculus button. This is for if you wear glasses. You could put that in there. It's a little spacer to give room for your glasses. Here's the power bank. It uses a USB-C connector. 2 batteries are included, which is cool. There's the manuals. We'll take the USB-C cable out. Just peel this thing back. It's a super long cable, so I suppose you could use this to charge the headset while you're playing. We'll pop in a battery. I love that. That is cool. It's got a really cool feel to it. Alright, we'll pop in the other battery. Yeah. There we go. Next, you want to go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store and download the Oculus app. And click Install. And shortly after that, it'll be installed. Then you click your name here and create a username. So type in something, hit next. Then you can set your privacy settings. And hit next. Then you can add a credit card or use PayPal. And select the headset that you're going to be using. We're going to select the Oculus Quest. And you have a nice little video here that shows you your next steps. We'll hit start. And it's telling us to plug in the charger cable. So we'll go ahead and do that. And there's the power switch. Hold it down for 2 seconds and it'll come on. Then inside the application, you want to hit allow and look inside the display, and you'll have to enter a code. So you just tap that in and it'll pair the headset to your phone. And then you'll want to connect it up to your Wi-Fi network. All right, all connected. I've already got the batteries in mine, but if you don't already have them, go ahead and pop them in, hit next. It'll pair up the controllers. Select your language. English works for me. And it'll give you a little safety video here. You should watch all that. And then hit acknowledge. After that, it'll start an update and you're essentially done. You just let that update. I'm going to go ahead and click OK here and kind of browse around the store, see what kind of applications they have available. Wander, that's pretty cool. Beat Saber is pretty awesome. I haven't played it that much yet. Tilt Brush, oh, you've got to play that. Okay, so now we're going to set up our stage so you can see my son Landon playing on the Oculus Quest. Let's go.
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore. First, let's get familiar with the Guardian system. Look around you. This grid wall is the Guardian system. This grid shows the boundaries of your play area. Don't move or reach beyond it. It's time to learn about your Oculus Touch controllers. Now, try pressing all of the glowing buttons with your thumbs. Try moving the thumbsticks around. The thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons. Press them in until you feel them click. Next, use your index fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Now let's see what your virtual hands can do. To make a fist, squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you. To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks. Release the grip button to drop it. Your virtual hands can do just about anything. Go ahead, play with some of these items. Looks like you're getting the hang of it. Here's a few more to try. When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
All right, dude. So, what did you think of the Oculus Quest?
I thought it was really neat. I thought that, well, they could have added something to it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Like what?
Instead of having remotes
Uh-huh.
and buttons and stuff like that, they had a glove that you could put on to do all that for you.
That's a good
And
idea.
you could like press a button in your palm and then like pick up stuff.
You've got to be an engineer. You can design something like that. That's cool.
How do you feel about it?
Well, You know, after you said that, I kind of agree with you. You know, a hand glove would be really awesome. But I mean, the controls work great. I didn't have any problem with the controls. Um, but yeah, it was pretty darn cool. Did you have any problems with it aside from your excellent idea on the hand grips
It's slipping down a little bit
slipping down?
as you're playing like a fighting or shooting game.
So I guess it was a little heavy on the front side. Yeah, yeah. There's been some mention about that in a few areas, but I thought it was fine. I didn't have any problem with it slipping, but I can see, if you don't have any hair or your head's smaller, then I could see where that might become an issue. But it was fine for me. One thing I did notice is it gets a little sweaty in here, and since this is a cloth-like material, it might be better to have like a leather face cover instead of cloth. But I tell you what, the experience overall, I mean, when you first tried it, what did you think of it?
I thought I was gonna fall.
You
I
thought
thought
you were
it was
gonna
awesome.
fall?
I thought I was gonna fall.
It's crazy. It's like you literally step into an entirely new world. Tilt brush was that's crazy. That one freaked me out. I played it late at night. I think it was last night. I was just drawing stuff and walking into the drawing that I made, and I don't know. It's mind-boggling, I thought. But I mean, the games are great, of course. I haven't played Vader Immortal yet. That's one I definitely want to play, especially since we've got this Stormtrooper over here in the corner. You know what? We should bring him into the scene. Anyway, we'll do that another time. We'll do that when we do the Vader Immortal review.
All right.
We'll make sure that he's in the camera because we got everything all set up. What's your favorite game?
Probably the race car game.
Really?
Or the fishing.
Oh, you like the fishing bait?
Yeah.
By the way, I think that's a free app that you can download. It doesn't cost anything. The YouTube VR. Did you try that out?
Oh yeah. It looked like you were in a movie theater.
It was crazy. Which one did you get into? Do you know? You know what video you were watching or what it was about?
Some free running parkour thing.
Oh, really? Huh. I went to one that was a jet fighter, and man, that was so realistic. I mean, it's like you're in the cockpit of a jet flying around, and I mean, you can look around, you see the real pilot behind you. I also want to show some stuff on the virtual desktop. I haven't even shown you that. That's pretty cool. I mean, we've had this for what, 2 days now.
2 or 3 probably.
And we've just been playing it like crazy, and
has no time to charge.
Yeah, it really doesn't. So we're going to discuss other stuff in the future.
Button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks. Release it and drop it.
What?
Your virtual hand can do just about anything. Go ahead.
What the heck is this? It's an eyeball. Oh my god, it's a robot!
Hi.
Grab his hands.
He's holding my hand! Now we're dancing together. Dance with me. We're holding hands and dancing.
So, Kayla, let me ask you, do you think it's worth the money?
Yes.
For sure? I mean,
Yes. This is awesome.
Shot survived 174. 30 droids destroyed.
This is amazing. I mean, this is really neat. You just right in the air, and then you can walk into it. I mean, it's like a neon sign, but you can get in it. You know what I mean?
There's also, I think, brush strokes for fire and bubbles and all kinds of interesting stuff. You
How
can
do you
just
change them?
with your left hand, if you.
Oh, I see. Oh, fire.
There you go.
Oh. Man, this is a rainbow. Rainbow flavor. It's like I'm painting with Skittles.
What are you drawing?
I'm just wait. I'll do a smiley face. A little hair. Oh wow! Yeah, this is like nothing I've ever seen, man. This is pretty cool.
Can I try?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put links in the description below if you're interested in picking up either the 64 gigabyte or 128 gigabyte Oculus Quest. So please click that subscribe button down there at the bottom. And if you want to be notified, click the little bell icon. If you enjoyed it, please click the like. That lets me know that you enjoyed watching this video. And feel free to share with your friends. You know, we're a small channel. We could use all the help we can get. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. You have a great day, and we'll see you soon.